Look out. Look out. The man's on the prowl. He looks down with a frown from the clouds. Gotta go out. Go out and change the world around us. Just look out. The man's on the prowl. Yes, he looks down with a frown from the clouds. It's time the light shines down. It's time to make the sound. Just look out now. Look out. The man's on the prowl. Just look out. Look out now. Every day was killing me. It didn't seem anyone was feeling me. Now I'm the villain. See, it doesn't matter because I'm still the realest me that I'll ever be. Since I was born in 80, wait, it was 85. I'm still alive. Get with the motion because it's about the tide to roll with the tide. Let's drift in with the ocean vibe as it rides inside. Now you know why I'm alive, didn't die. Yeah, I am just to show you that I still thrive. I'm living, moving with the motion of the moment, 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 moment. Now the world's